This is where impact begins. Right here in Sarasota, Florida, every mannequin is assembled by hand. Not just to build something, but to get it right. Because what we're building matters. There's pride in every step and every detail, in knowing where this goes next. Into classrooms, simulation labs, hospitals, where people prepare for moments that can't be practiced twice. We may not be in those moments, but we're part of them, and we take that seriously. Assembled with purpose, built for impact.